Hi, this is Rohan. My roll number is 2020-10-2002. In this in this video, I will explain how the AC current is converted to DC current. Here, AC current is the input 230 volts RMS value, and the output volts will be by this IC, which is 5 volts. Now, the input is taken through the circuit through the transformer. Here, transformer takes the input from 230 volts RMS home current and gives output 15 volts. Transformer is a device that transfers electric current from one alternating circuit to one or more circuits, either increasing or reducing the voltage. Here the voltage is reduced. Now we take the input from the transformer by connecting it with the fuse to avoid overloading. Now we connected the full wave bridge rectifier circuit to the breadboard and connected the both outputs of the full wave bridge rectifier to this capacitor, which is 2200 mu farad. So now we connect these two ends of the capacitor to this IC, which is IC 7805. It takes the input from 7 volts to 35 volts and gives the output minimum of 4.8 volts and maximum of 5.2 volts. Now here it gives the output as 5 volts. To check this, we connect this to an LED. Here LED does the job that LED works only in the forward bias condition. It it blinks if AC current is connected to it. So to prove that the output is a DC current, we connect the LED to it and check this. Now I will switch on the circuit and yes, here the LED is working without blinking. Hence we can say that the output is DC current. Yeah, now I switched it off. Now let's remove this. Now when we check the output from this IC from these two terminals, it will get 5 volts. Now the first pin is the input pin and the second pin is the common ground and third pin is the output. Thanks. Here I will explain the full wave bridge rectifier part. Full wave bridge rectifier is taking the input from the two pins of the transformer. Now in forward condition, in positive half cycle, the two diodes will be will be active, whereas in the reverse bias condition the other two diodes will be active. Hence in the full cycle the two diodes of the circuit will be active and the output will be continuous. Hence it is called as full wave bridge rectifier part. The full wave bridge rectifier part have some noise in that. So to clear that, we install a capacitor here. Capacitor always takes the AC part and it does not allow the DC part. Hence here capacitor is installed as a filter. Hence this is the full wave bridge rectifier part along with the capacitor filter.